Welcome to Royal News Updates.
OMG. Philip left a will and a warning for Prince William, talking about a royal master traitor in palace. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, thanks. The Duke of Edinburgh's will is to remain secret for at least 90 years to protect the dignity and standing of the Queen, the High Court has ruled. It has been convention for over a century that, after the death of a senior member of the royal family, the courts are asked to seal their wills. It means that, unlike most wills granted probate, it will not be open to public inspection. There will be a private process in 90 years to decide if it can be unsealed. The hearing into the application to seal the will was also held in private in July by Sir Andrew Macfarlane, the most senior judge in the family courts. He heard arguments from lawyers representing the Duke's estate, and the Attorney General, the government's chief legal advisor. Prince Philip issued a characteristic warning to Prince William during his university days, urging his grandson to not wimp out, according to royal author Katie Nicholl. Prince William admitted earlier this week that he and his wife Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, struggled to regulate their children's screen time. William stopped by BAFTA's London headquarters on Thursday and plans were announced for the Prince William BAFTA Bursary Fund, which aims to help talented youngsters pursue careers in film, TV and gaming when they might otherwise not have the means to do so. During his visit, William admitted all three of his children love the medium. He revealed Prince George, 8, is a keen gamer, but he and Kate are trying to regulate his screen time. Princess Charlotte, 6, and Prince Louis, 3, are a bit too small at the moment for gaming, but they love the films. William and Kate will mark 20 years since first getting into a relationship next year. They first met in 2001 at the University of St Andrews and began dating in 2003. They lived together with two other friends in their second, third and fourth year of university. William originally enrolled at the Scottish University on a History of Art course. But university life was not what he expected, and he almost dropped out after the first term. Royal author Katie Nicholl wrote in her book Kate, the Future Queen, that William held discussions with his father and former housemaster at Eton, Dr. Gailey, over the Christmas holidays. She said, they listened carefully to William and concluded that quite apart from the problems associated with feeling hemmed in at St Andrews, William was not being inspired by his History of Art course. After much discussion in which his father shared his own difficult experiences of adapting to undergraduate life at Cambridge, and his grandfather, Prince Philip, issued a characteristic warning to knuckle down and not wimp out, it was decided, in conjunction with the university administration, that William would return to St Andrews in January 2002. William remained in Sally's St Salvator's Hall and switched courses to geography. Ms. Nicholl added, this seemed like a good compromise, and William felt decidedly more optimistic about his undergraduate days ahead. William has addressed his university wobble in the past, and admitted that he was daunted. He said, my father was very understanding about it and realized I had the same problem he probably had. We chatted a lot, and in the end, we both realized I definitely realized that I had to come back. William's return north of the border signaled the beginning of much happier times for the young prince. March 2002 marked one of the most significant fixtures in the St Andrews calendar, the fashion show. Kate auditioned for the charity show and was successful. The event was held at the Student Union and those in the show were offered tables closest to the catwalk. According to Andrew Sands, the show's choreographer, William and his friend Adam England sat at Kate's table along with some others. Kate shimmied down the catwalk wearing a see-through long skirt. William reportedly whispered to a friend, wow, Kate's hot. The students went off to various after-parties, with William and Kate both ending up at the same party at 14 Hope Street. Mr. Sands told Ms. Nicol, they kissed at the end of the night. They were both standing up in the corner of the living room, and I recall seeing them out of the corner of my eye. He added, everyone pretended that they weren't taking much notice, but it went round St. Andrews like wildfire afterwards. Others at the party, however, told Ms. Nicol that Kate could be seen pulling away as William leaned in to kiss her. Ms. Nicol wrote, she may have been momentarily concerned that anything more intimate than their already close friendship might muddy the waters when it came to living together. Whatever the nature of the advance, their relationship continued from then onwards. Charlie Moretti, the fashion show's organizer, told Ms. Nicol, I think the fashion show made them the couple they are today. I was always certain they would be together, and maybe the fashion show was the crystallizing moment. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comment. Thanks.